Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys notification sound setting guys. How can we off in our Realme phone friends? You want to off means notification ringtone. So how can you turn off your notification ringtone guys? You don't want any ringtone on your notification. So guys how can you off your notification ringtone in your Realme phone? In this video friends I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel guys, you are watching a video first time, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Then first of all open your phone setting to off your notification ringtone. Then guys click on sound and vibration setting, then tap here and scroll. Guys you can see notifications settings. So guys tap here and as you can see this type setting. So guys click on this none option and guys your notification no, ringtone will not work. You can see none option. So you want to set your notification ringtone, so you will have to set from here guys. So as you can see notification ringtone sound will not work in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off notification ringtone in a Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.